Hey, we're here at Snoopers Antique Mall and we're going to go ahead and take a wander through, check out some of the items they've got. Let's take a little walk towards the building, just a quick check, little tease of what's coming. Hold on, let me turn it around here.
So as we get it flipped around here, the first thing you're going to notice is there is a lot of things to see. See that black cat sign? Who doesn't remember those little firecrackers lighting them things up? There's a lot of other signs and things like that too. Some cans, containers, lots of different things. I mean, there's a lot of stuff right here on the outside. You can only imagine what we're going to find on the inside. So let's get a little closer to the door there. We're going to mosey on in. Let's check it out. So here we're at Snoopers Antique Mall and More, and that is right in downtown Berlin. You can't miss it. It's just right off the main drag. Okay, let's head on inside. As you walk through the front door, the first thing you'll notice is just how massive this place is. You know, from the outside, it looks like a tiny little place. Hey, one say sorry for the sound. Something went just a little bit sideways with my mic. That one is gone. Got a brand new one on the way. So thank you for tolerating the sound on this video. Next one will be much better.
Be sure to stick around for some Holmes County hot tips,
because they are so cool. You know, as soon as I walked in, I was welcomed by two ladies. They were so sweet and they were so inviting. They just make you feel right at home right away. And you know, those are the type of places that you just love to go in and explore. And you can take your time, you don't feel rushed, and you're just comfortable with the place right from the get-go. If you ever wanted to get lost in the maze of history and nostalgia, you're in the right place, because there are so many aisles and different places and little nooks and crannies to look. You're really going to love it. So I met one of the vendors while I was in there, and we had a nice little conversation. Very nice lady. Chatted about the area and the store and everything. She really liked being a vendor there. We ended up talking about Park Street Pizza, which made me hungry. If you get a chance to go to Park Street, very good pizza, but we'll come back to that on a different show. So let's go ahead and keep exploring the store here. Suggestion, throw it up on the TV while you're cooking dinner or working around the house. Look at the variety. We've got everything from primitives and farmhouse decor, which fits perfectly here in Berlin, to the high-end mid-century modern pieces. There's over 60 vendors here, so you're seeing 60 different personalities on display. They are really neat. And there's old Rat Fink. If you grew up in the 70s, 80s, you knew Rat Fink with the cool cars that he had and everything. On that note, let's take a quick break, and then we'll be right back.
Welcome to HCOandMORE. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. That's your connection to Amish country. Be sure to like and subscribe.
All right, let's get back to snooping around. As we head from the first section, there's a Chris Craft sign, to the second section, it's another big area that you don't realize it's here when you're looking at it from the front, but this building is deep. There's also a third section that we'll be coming to here in a little bit. You know, there really is something special about antiquing in Berlin. You got the horse and buggies trotting by outside. As you step in here, you're like stepping back in time, and you just slow down and relax, looking at all the different things that are here. And the name is perfect because you don't just shop here. You kind of snoop around. You kind of look in and around and behind things. You'll see so many different things. You know, they've got Victorian style clocks. They've got a distressed milk crate. They've got a little bit of everything. All right, my time was short here, but I know I will be back because these booths, you can't do them justice just by walking by. You have to stop and explore all the little nooks and crannies. If you're in Berlin, stop by Snoopers Antique Mall. You'll love it. The people are so inviting. It's a great place to go and shop. There's so much variety. Even the different things will take you back in a lot of memories that you conjure up as you're looking at these different things, and you think, oh, I forgot all about that type of thing. Thanks again. I'm going to go ahead and set the mic down here and just let you guys enjoy the rest of the store. But like I said, if you go there and you stop in, let them know you saw it on HCOandMORE, because that also really helps them. So thanks, have a great day, and keep your eyes out for the next video that's coming out. It's going to be fun. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it.
Hey, it's time for the first Holmes County hot tip. So a hot tip is from a lifetime resident of Holmes County, and that's me. I'm here to help make your trip more fun, more insightful, and make sure that you see all the things you want to see, and hopefully with less stress. Many shoppers report that prices here are more flea market style and affordable compared to the high-end antique malls, making it a better spot to find true bargains. And that's your Holmes County hot tip. More hot tips coming up.
Hey, I know this is a longer video, but I'll tell you what, there was so much stuff to see in this store. You're going to hang out and check out all the different things. 19 minutes, but it's a lot of neat things to see. So enjoy. Hey, thanks for watching my videos, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for sticking with me, and let's watch a little bit more of the video. Where do you want me to go next? Throw it down in the comments.
Hey, it's time for another Holmes County hot tip. This hot tip is the uniqueness of Snoopers, and it has everything from clothes to car memorabilia to antiques to just so many different types of things, glassware, a lot of different things. So that is one of the things that makes the Snoopers such a unique place, because there's something for everybody. Stay tuned for another hot tip coming up.
Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. This building goes on, and I'm sure that I missed some areas. But we'll be going back soon. Stay tuned. This is just the first of many trips here. Next, we're going to be going back and exploring some individual booths. If you see one that you really like, let me know.
Hey, another hot tip here for you. Don't let the outside and the modest outside and the size fool you, because this place goes on and on. It is big once you get inside. You got 80 plus vendors, 80 plus booths, so many things to shop for. Jump in there, check it out. But like I said, don't let the outside fool you.
Hey, thanks for sticking with me. Wasn't that a great tour? There are so many things to see here, and I am excited to get back here again. We'll see them real soon. Let them know you saw it on HCO and more. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Another one will be coming out real soon. Stay tuned.
Welcome to HCO and More. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. That's your connection to Amish country. Be sure to like and subscribe.